So once you get your basement panels off, you'll get to see this mess. So you have 3 thermostat wires. They come from one from each AC, and they end up going to this connector. It's got a little tab you can push, and then kind of wiggle it down, pull it out. So all the heat pump signal wires are going to be orange, that lower orange. Mine came with the middle AC unit with the heat pump, so that one is actually wired in. These other 2 were just cut off. This one would go to my bedroom if I had a heat pump there. This other orange one goes to my garage, so I just had to add a little jumper wire from here over to the thermostat wire for my garage AC, hooked onto the orange wire. You see the factory tied in the orange to the orange. And my bedroom, since it doesn't have a heat pump, the orange wire is just cut off. So if you had a heat pump in your bedroom, you have to jump this over to this other wire. So that was pretty much it for that. I don't think there's really much else for that, and I'll show you how to do the one control here in a second. So now to get to the advanced settings for the one control. Start on your home screen, and you're going to want to tap home like 5 or 6 times, and a little dialog box will pop up. It'll ask you if you want to go to the advanced features. Tap yes, and this will take a little bit to load up. Probably takes about 20 seconds or so. Looks like everything's good, so you want to scroll down to HVAC settings. So you got your main, garage, and the bedroom. So since I changed my garage, I'll go through that, click on it. And that will take you into the settings menu. So you just have to change AC type. Factory, mine was just standard AC. All you have to do is hit the AC with heat pump. Once that's changed, everything else stays the same. Once that is changed, you hit set over here, and that will save it. And then you can tap this arrow to back out of everything once you get everything changed, and that's pretty much it. So not too complicated.